Nate here, hosting a little matchup between the Contour HD and the competition. On the visitor's side, we have the Vio, GoPro, and the OSI camera. On the home team, we have the V-Holder and the new Contour HD. First off, each camera records at different resolutions, which we'll go over right now.
This is the GoPro. This is the OSI. This is the V-Holder. This is the Vio. This is the Contour in SD mode. And this is the Contour in HD mode.
We've scaled down all the videos by the same ratio in order to fit them on the same screen. Now what that means is that you'll be able to see a side-by-side comparison as well as the actual size of the videos in relation to one another. We've gone out and shot some action footage using our special multi-cam rig, which we've lovingly nicknamed the Octopod. Now, we'll start off with the Contour in SD mode. In SD mode, the Contour is designed for fast action and shoots at 60 frames per second, compared to the 30 frames per second of the competition. Check it out. Next up, we have the side-by-side comparison of the Contour in HD mode. HD is all about high resolution, and what you're going to see is how much larger the picture is compared to all the other videos. At this size, though, there isn't much of a comparison, because HD pretty much dwarfs everything else. Check it out. Well, that's it for the comparison. I hope it was informative. Below you can download all the videos we used in the side-by-side in case you want to take a closer look. Other than that, have fun and be safe.